Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Webflow for affiliate landing pages in CMS, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Webflow website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the New Project button on your dashboard. Choose a blank project or a template that suits your needs for affiliate landing pages. Click Create Project to start editing. In the project settings, open the Pages tab from the left sidebar. Create a new page by clicking Add Page. Name the page appropriately for your affiliate product or niche. Use the Webflow designer to drag and drop elements onto your canvas. Start with a section for your headline and call to action. Add a text block for your main message and make it compelling. Incorporate images or graphics that highlight your affiliate product. Next, create a new section for product details. Drag in a div block to hold these details. Inside the div block, use text blocks for product descriptions. Include benefits and features to attract visitors. To add a review or testimonial section, create another div block. Drag in a slider or multiple text blocks for varied testimonials. Next, set up a section for your affiliate links. Use a button element and link it directly to your affiliate URL. Style your button using the right sidebar to ensure it stands out. Now, it's time to set up your CMS collections. Go back to your project settings and click on CMS in the left sidebar. Create a new collection named Products or Affiliate Links. Define fields such as name, description, image, and affiliate link. Once the collection is created, click on Add Item to input your first affiliate product. Fill in the details for your affiliate product accordingly. Back in the Webflow designer, create a new page using the CMS template. Link your new page to your products collection. Use a collection list to display each item from your affiliate products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.